Hello and welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we talked about how to protect your privacy and prevent your smart television from spying on you. In today's video, we'll be talking about hidden Android settings you must turn off right now to protect your privacy and enable your smartphone to perform faster. We are going to cover data tracking settings, background app permission, battery and performance drains, and security risk people ignore. A lot of people are not aware that their Android phone can spy on them, drain its battery, and slow itself down. But once they get knowledge of this information, they don't look back. Join me as we dissect this information together. But before we proceed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up because it helps to keep some people safe. Many apps ask for permission they don't actually need. Check location, microphone, camera, contacts. Turn off games accessing location, flashlight apps using camera, and apps using mic in the background. This saves data, battery, and protects your personal information. Some apps run even when you are not using them. Go to settings, click on apps, select unused apps, click on battery and restrict or background restriction. This gets your phone faster, it uses less data, and your phone experiences a better battery life. To personalize your phone, go to settings, click on privacy, click on ads, turn off ad personalization, delete advertising ad. This stops Google and apps from tracking what you search, watch, and buy. For location history and Google activity, go to settings, click on Google, click on manage Google account, turn off location history, web and app activity. YouTube history is optional. Google keeps record of where you go and what you search for. You decide if it's okay to leave it on. Auto-syncing eats up mobile data without your knowledge. To turn it off, go to settings, click on accounts, turn off auto-sync for apps you don't need. You can also check Google Photos backup. For developer options, go to settings and enable developer options. Click on animation scale 0.5 times. Windows animation scale 0.5 times. Transition animation scale 0.5 times. Animator duration scale 0.5 times. Your phone feels faster instantly after doing this. For unused apps and bloatware, remember that many phones comes with apps you will never use. To manage this, go to settings, click on apps, disable don't delete demo apps, manufacturer extras, and duplicate apps. Restart your phone once a week. It clears background processes and improves phone performance. These settings works on Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, and Redmi. Save data, save battery, and stay private. If you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips.